How's it, guys? Yeah, so it's all working out. Cool. So I just want to go over this. So I'm actually in a short here for Solana. I will be quickly going over some setups because most of these trades that I'm going to be going over are in the short direction. Okay, so every single trade will be taking a short based on the market condition at the moment. Yeah, every single trade will be taking short here, and yeah. Okay, so this is my Solana short. If you guys want to take this, I would suggest, yeah, the 30-minute did close bearish here. The 1 hour candle is looking bearish, so yeah, I did take a short here on Sol. If you want to take it now, you can just put your stop loss above this wick here. Yeah. It looks very clean, to be honest. Looks very, very good here, guys. Looks very, very good. And then Matic, same thing here. Look on the 4 hour time frame here for Matic. Yeah. Broke the lows. Broke the lows here. It is currently at the next level, really is here. We may see a bounce here for Matic. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame looking very bearish here, guys. Looking very, very bearish. Yeah, so closures below here, sells. Yeah. Targeting this low here. Yeah. So this is for Matic. So what I'm waiting for is the 1 hour closure. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the 1 hour candle to close below here. Once we get a closure below here, then we should see a nice drop. Let's have a look in 30 minutes. Yeah, we need to see. Yeah, looking for sells below here, guys. Yeah. Sells below here for Matic. Wait for the next 1 hour candle closure. Got a few other setups here. Chain link. Let's have a look. Yeah, chain link looks dead, yeah. Next level is 6.845. Okay, so the 4 hour time frame, that's where we're looking at. So we're still waiting for sells here. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Sells below here. Wait for sells below this level here. Okay. Okay, so we're waiting for the closure, yeah? Even a 30-minute closure below there, 15, yeah. Five minutes. Okay, so this is what's interesting here now, guys. So make sure you're watching, because we have a 5-minute support over here. We're gonna label this yeah. 5-minute support over there, broke the lows. Looks good. And if you guys did take the Solana short that we're in, it looks like it's about to drip. Yeah. Okay. So we have Chainlink looking for sells. Like I said, we're only really looking for sells here, guys. And then Matic also looking for sells here. We're waiting for this. We need to wait for this 50 minutes to close though. Okay. Keeps moving on. It takes you in. Brings you while you're watching over the moments that make up your life. It's getting late. That's the way it is. You can't deny what it feels like. You see, like when you look at Chainlink, for example, right? This whole area here. Yeah, look at this, right? Have a look at this area. This whole area needs to get full. So we need to take advantage of that, right? So I'll be taking sells, yeah. Even if this next 5-minute close is bearish, I'll probably take a sell, yeah. Let's see. Get your kicks while you can. Then you go to work. Pay the rent. Need to wait for a closure here, guys. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late. Be patient, because the thing is, if you take sales now, please check Filecoin, yeah, sure. I will check Filecoin for you now. Okay, so Filecoin. Let's have a look here. Ooh, jeez. Yeah, Filecoin looks so bearish here, guys. So when looking at Filecoin, we have a 4-hour candle closing bearish here, probably in the next 2 hours. Our next level of support. I mean, technically we have some support here, but I mean, this would be the area 3.734. Yeah. So this would be the area. So now what we need to do is we need to wait for. So we close bearish here, the 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, so even here, guys, what I'll wait for here is a 5-minute closure below here. Five-minute candle closure below here. Take some sells. Yeah, so that's Filecoin looks clean for sells here. Let's have a look at some other coins. Let's go back to the Solana shorts. I did take some profits there, just because you always have to take profits here, guys. It's bouncing a bit, so we have to wait. Essentially, I'm targeting quite a big low here, 22.6, but it's more on the 4-hour time frame. Because if you zoom out, look over left here, there is a support here, and the point of control is here. So I think we might see a bit of consolidation for a bit. But remember, when you take some trades, these trades are based on the higher time frames here, guys. Like Matic. I actually took some sells earlier, but to add to my position here, I mean, it's about a giraffe. Sells below here, 0.618. Bitcoin's obviously in a tough situation here. It's obviously bouncing from that 29,087, right? So this is the current range for Bitcoin. Yeah. So when you look at Bitcoin right now, this is the current range. Okay. And until we actually break below here, you know, these sells really won't be valid. So we need to wait for a closure below here, and then we can take some more sells. So I think maybe we might have to wait until New York open, because that's pretty much when most of the volume comes out. Yeah. Because at the moment there's not much volume, and it's kind of just bouncing between a few zones. Yeah, so I mean, those are the setups. Chainlink, we're looking for sells, right? Five-minute supporters over there. You wait for the 1 hour to close below this level. If it doesn't close below here, then these sells aren't valid. So we're waiting for the 1 hour candle to close bearish, or we get a 5-minute candle closure below this 5-minute support. Would be good as well. Look at Shiba. I mean, this coin's crazy. Look how beautiful this trade is, yeah, guys. So essentially, this is our resistance / support. Resistance / support over here, right? Price breaks below, comes back up, resets its level, takes shorts. It's a textbook trade. Take short back down to this low. That's an 8% move. Okay, so now how do we capitalize on this? Well, let's have a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is over here. When you see, yeah, this is it. Okay, so we just have to wait for this. So for Shein, we'll wait for sells below here. A 50% move if you're using a 10x. Okay, so I'll be looking at this as well. Sells below here. Sells below here, 1 hour closure. Wait for that, and then we can take more sells. Let's see. I mean, obviously we're getting a bit of a retracement here, guys. Mainly just due to buyers wanting to be buying at these prices, especially for Solana. Yeah, but it's a good way to look at this trade, right? So I took 50% of my position out at 23.67. Okay, reason why? Look over here. So I'll show you guys something quite cool here. So So basically, how do you know where the most traded volume is? Well, what you want to do is you want to come to here. Okay, you click on this one where you have long position, short position. You come and click the fixed range volume profile, and what you want to do is you want to click from the low to the high. Most traded volume where buyers are looking at, and you can see over here, is at this level here, 23.85. Okay, so we were expecting price to obviously bounce from the zone. Okay, which is obviously giving an indication that we needed to take some profits here because potentially we could bounce from this level. Okay, which is why we did take some profits at this level. Okay, so you can see here when you zoom in, look, most traded volume from this low to this high is the mid-range where we have resistance over here. Okay, whenever we tap into the zone, we normally bounce. Tap into the zone, we bounce down. Tap into the zone, we bounce down. Tap. Yeah, we're being patient here, guys. Make sure you be patient. Don't want to take a trade. Turns out to be the wrong direction. You need to play with the trend. We obviously know the trend is down, so you want to be making the most of those positions. You can see that price is obviously respecting this level here. We want to wait for price to close below there on the 1 hour. Because if you look on the 1 hour time frame, getting rejected. So if we have a look here on the 4 hour, looks very bearish, right? We're probably definitely going to see a tap into the zone today. So, I mean, I'm going to take sells regardless, but I want to see confirmation. We're just waiting here, guys. I mean, we have to be patient. We have to be patient. There's not much really we can do now. We have to just wait for these setups to obviously happen. Until then, patience. Solana is coming down. Shiba sells a couple positions that we're waiting for. Being patient here, guys. Being patient. So let's wait for the 1 hour closure and we'll go over all these trades and see exactly what we're waiting for. The 1 hour closure is what we want, yeah. Okay, 1 hour candle close. So 1 hour candle closed bullish here for Shiba. So we have to wait for this sell position. Bitcoin, let's go back to Bitcoin, see what's happening. Closed bearish, but respecting the lows that we were speaking about earlier, which is obviously an indication that this might bounce a bit. 30-minute candle would have obviously closed bullish because if you're looking at the 1 hour, you have to think of it at two 30-minute candles. Solana should be coming back to entry. Okay. Yep. Still looks good. I mean, keep this trade in. Stop loss at break even. Nothing too crazy here. Matic. Here we go. Matic. Still waiting for this 1 hour candle closure to close below here. Once we get a 618 move, we should see a push back down to the 0.5, 0.6 level. This will be clean. Ethereum, I don't really want to go with Ethereum, it's boring. Chainlink, waiting for that as well. Yeah, we need to wait for closures there, guys. We don't want to be taking these trades and then we see a bounce, which is what's happening now. So we need to wait for closure, and then we'll obviously get in positions. Yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. Important to just wait here and be patient for the closures. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking at this, guys, you need to just wait for these candles to close. Once we get the candles to close, then obviously it's going to be a nice push. I'm going to add to the Solana setup once we close below. Yeah, I mean, I think I might just have to end the stream here, guys. We just have to wait for these closures. We all have the signals, right? I've gone over them pretty much the whole stream. If you guys did not get them, then you can just go back and to the beginning of the stream where I went over the analysis. Essentially, just waiting, being patient here, guys. Yeah, we don't want to get into these cells without knowing exactly what's happening. Jump. Um, yeah. I think I'm gonna call the stream here, guys. We went over everything. Obviously, we bearish on the day. We bearish on every coin. So taking sells is the only way here. So we do need to just wait for these candles to close. And until we get them, until we get the closures, we can't really do much here, guys. Yeah, it's because yeah, it looks clean though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I mean, it was a short stream, but there's not much else really to go over here. I do appreciate everyone coming through, pulling in. I do respect the ground, and you know, if you guys did like the channel and if you did like the content, let me know. And yeah, give me a like and a follow if you guys did enjoy.